Hi, let us have a quick overview of how to convert your WooCommerce orders into a custom and sequential format. First of all, install the Sequential Order Number plugin by WebToffee and activate. You can access the plugin by clicking on Settings or go to WooCommerce, Settings, Sequential Order Number. Before beginning to set up custom numbers, let's quickly look at the existing order number of our store. For that, go to WooCommerce, Orders. You can see that the order numbers are in this format. Now, let's move on to our plugin settings window and see what are the various options offered by the plugin to create custom order numbers. We can set the order number format with a prefix, number, or date. Choosing the prefix will append an additional option prefix. Choosing a date will add the date field. We can proceed by choosing both prefix and date with the number. Now, the prefix will appear at the beginning of the order number. Let's give it as WT. Pick one or more date formats from a set of predefined lists. For instance, you can choose Y referring to the current year, M referring to the current month, and D referring to the current date. Next comes the order number length. If you need to have a fixed length for your order numbers, you can specify it here. The plugin will maintain a fixed length for the order number by padding it with zeros. By entering 7, we'll pad the order number by zeros to maintain the fixed length. Start number is the actual order number without the prefix, date format, or padding. Here, you will get a preview of the order number. You can separate the date format by using any alphanumeric character, and make it appropriate as per your need. Now, to apply the above number format to all existing orders of your store, enable the Apply to All Orders checkbox. On the other hand, if you need to have the new sequence only for upcoming new orders, then leave it unchecked. WooCommerce, by default, gives an option to track orders using a shortcode. Order tracking page on a website created using the shortcode will be in this manner. If you'd want to track orders based on the newly created custom order numbers, simply enable the option. By default, WooCommerce allows you to search orders based on order ID. To search orders by the newly generated custom sequential order number, enable the search order option. Finally, save the changes made. Since we have chosen to apply the settings to existing orders also, all the order numbers will be updated with custom order numbers based on your settings. Let's try to search for a particular order by using the newly created custom order number. Key in the order number in search order. Likewise, let's try to track a particular order by using the custom order number. You will get all the order details. To get a glimpse of what more the premium offers, please check the free versus pro comparisons. Our premium plugin gives you much more flexibility to customize your order numbers with suffix, auto reset or increment sequence, and many more. Please feel free to leave your queries in the comment box. We'll definitely get back to you at the earliest. The link to buy our premium version is given in the description box. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.